July 24, 2018. In Greece, wildfires raced through a seaside village near Athens, killing at least 74 people. In one holiday town, officials find evidence of victims who became trapped in the flames and died holding each other. The Israeli military shoots down a Syrian fighter jet over the Golan Heights. Reuters news agency reports the pilot was killed. And in Laos, the collapse of an electric water dam sends sudden floods through 6 villages, leaving 6,000 people homeless and hundreds missing.